Hey, thank you so much, sis. Mary Grace, ang biko mo pahingi. Pahinging biko mo. Kalami nito, oy. Wow, yummy, yummy. Wow. So yummy-licious. So yummy-licious. Ayan, playing at saka James. Playing din ako kay James. Ayan, wala pa ako ibang panoorin. Oy, it would be my honor and pleasure to talk to you. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, followers ako kay James. Manood ba ako isa sisi? Wala may iba akong panoorin. Oh, na-play ka na. Ayan, si James kasi kailangan WH talaga. Si Shana Lopez ito dito. Oh, lagyan mo lang gano'n. Ayan, another pa sisi. Another pa, dito tayo sa baba. Another, ano? Ayan, highlights ni James. Pangalawa kay James. Pangalawang, ano? Lami, Jud Host. Ang pangatag, sis. Oy! Ay, bala mo, di ko panagsara ko makaon. Lubi ko diri, sis. Panagsara. Paborito na ba ng tatay ni? Can I connect with you on Instagram? Oh, sorry, but I don't have Instagram. Just only YouTube. Hot Rob. I don't have any apps, just here only. Hot Rob. Lami jud, ug kalami gyud sisi. Hastang lami ani mo biko oy. Choco ha. Choco. Ayan guys, please connect the one I pin Sir AOK charity channel. AOK it means act of kindness. Charity channel. He will help a small YouTuber. So, connect. Don't be hesitate to connect. The one I pin on top, AOK, Charity Channel. Ayan. He is half Filipino, half American. AOK or Sir Kapil Farming. Oh, yes. Tika muna, ibaba natin yung upcoming mo, sis. Merry Christmas. Ibaba natin. Yan pala ito na, ano? Ma'am, sorry. For what? For what you comments? Bisan simpleng biko, lami, muhimo, kay puro yun. Inapa, kunat ko. Wow. Ay, alam mo, gusto ko yung ano, puro lang talaga siya, malagkit. Yung iba kasi nilagyan nila ng bigas. Pero ako ayoko kasi hindi gaano mga ganun ba, sticky. It's okay, ano. All we get mistakes, but we learn from our mistake. Alright, see, did you believe that? Everybody get mistakes, but those mistakes will learn from that. Oh, yeah, so we are just only human being, guys. Nobody's perfect, okay? But we'll learn for those mistakes, yeah? So, there is something wrong with you if you never learn of your mistakes. Yes? Yeah, so it's normal for everyone that we got mistake, guys. It's okay. So, it's okay, ano. Diba? Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Ayan, Merry Chris. Lakay! Prodel Channel! Mika Love shoutout, sir! Thank you for coming. How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, everyone here. How are you? How's you doing? Ayan. Hope is everything is fine. Tatamsak. Upcoming. Sir Lakay, on the way, Sir Lakay, ang aking alagad. You're so beautiful. Really, ha? Thank you, Sir Hot Rob. Thank you. Sir Lakay, ang dawi, Sir Lakay, ang aking alagad sa'yo. Sir Lakay, ayan, Sir Lakay. Sir Lakay, +1 ako. Oh, yes, Sir Lakay. Sis, Pinay, Joy, and Vlog, ganda host. Wow talaga, ikaw talaga.